Festivals and special days in India. India is a land of diverse cultures and traditions, and its festivals reflect this rich heritage. Let's explore some of the most celebrated festivals and special days in India. Diwali, the festival of lights. Diwali is one of the most significant festivals in India. It symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. People decorate their homes with oil lamps, candles, and colorful rangoli designs. Families come together to perform prayers, exchange gifts, and enjoy delicious sweets. The night sky lights up with fireworks, creating a magical atmosphere. Holi, the festival of colors. Holi is vibrant and joyous festival celebrated with great enthusiasm. It marks the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. People gather to play with colors, drenching each other in water and colored powders. The street comes alive with music, dance, and laughter. Holi is a time to forgive and forget and to celebrate the spirit of togetherness. Eid, a celebration of faith. Eid is an important festival for Muslims in India. It marks the end of Ramadan, a month of fasting and prayers. On Eid, families gather for a special prayer at the mosque, followed by a festive meal. Delicious dishes like biryani, kebabs, and sweets are prepared and shared with loved ones. It is a time of gratitude, charity, and community bonding. Independence Day, a national celebration. Independence Day is celebrated on August 15 every year to commemorate India's freedom from British rule in 1947. The day begins with flag hoisting ceremonies across the country, followed by parade, cultural programs, and patriotic song. The Prime Minister addresses the nation from the Red Fort in Delhi, highlighting the achievement and future goals of the country. It is a day of pride and unity for all Indians. Christmas, a joyous celebration. Christmas is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm by Christians in India. Churches are beautifully decorated and special midnight masses are held. People exchange gifts, sing carols, and enjoy festive meals with family and friends. The spirit of Christmas brings people of all communities together, spreading love and happiness. These festivals and special days showcase the rich cultural tapestry of India. They bring people together, fostering a sense of community and shared joy. Each festival has its unique traditions and significance, making India a land of endless celebrations. Thanks for watching. Like the story, share, comment, and subscribe for more fun and educational content from Little Wonder Stories.